Monty with Gillespie Abbey Carpet and Floors, and one of the most common things that we hear when people come in looking for hardwood flooring is, I want real hardwood flooring. So we show them a collection of products which are all real hardwood. They know, no, that's not what I'm after. That's not real hardwood. I want real hardwood flooring. And what they're talking about is a product like this that's 3/4 solid. It's one piece of wood from the top to the bottom. Our next question is, okay, if you want this, what type of subfloor do you have? Is it a raised foundation wood subfloor? Is it concrete? Well, we have a concrete subfloor. Well, we have to be able to nail this product down, and we cannot nail it to concrete. So this won't work in your home because of your concrete subfloor. But this real wood product, even though it's multiple layers of product, multiple layers, it's all wood, but it gives us the ability to glue it down or to float the floor over a underlayment foam and glue the joints together. Very dimensionally stable, but it has the flexibility to install below grade, above grade, or at grade, no matter what type of subfloor. It expands and contracts within the product itself, versus this product, if it expands, it blows up off the floor. If it contracts, it shrinks. And you'll see bigger joints in the floor. So 3/4 solid floors gives you multiple times of refinishing, but it's not always the correct application for the home, depending on your subfloor. So stop in, we can go over the pros and cons of both, let you know which one is applicable. But remember, an engineered hardwood is real hardwood. It has wood all the way through. It's not one of those vinyl replicated or laminate replicated woods. It's real hardwood.